Protect your expensive diesel engine against oil and soot contamination. Direction Plus Provent Oil Separator Kit protects your modern diesel engine by reducing the amount of oil entering the engine from blow-by gas in the crankcase ventilation system, preventing build-up in the intake system that reduces engine performance. The problem is compounded with modern engines fitted with EGR systems, whereby a proportion of the exhaust gas is routed back into the engine. With the presence of oil from the crankcase ventilation system, the exhaust particles are collected by the oil. This combination of oil and exhaust particles from the EGR build up to a point where it blocks inlet manifolds and valves, resulting in reduced engine performance and/or failure. The Direction Plus Provent system is specifically designed to separate and redirect oil and air from blow-by gas produced from within the crankcase. The benefits of fitting a Provent oil separator are significant, preventing oil and soot contamination entering the clean air intake, providing protection for your turbocharger, preventing oil buildup in the intercoolers, and reducing exhaust smoke and odours. Direction Plus Provent kits are complete for DIY installation using only the highest quality components. The Provent are made by Mann and Hummel, and the Provent is the only system with a dedicated and proven oil separation element. All brackets are 304 stainless steel and are made in Australia. The Direction Plus Provent oil separator kit has high flow rates with minimum pressure drop. It contains high-performance media, independently tested to 98% separation. An integrated safety valve and pressure control valve ensures operators' safety from any blockages or built-up pressure. The polyamide body construction ensures strength and durability for the life of the product. The Direction Plus Provent oil separator kit comes with mounting brackets and is an easy DIY fit. For the ultimate defense against oil and soot contamination, investing in a Direction Plus Provent oil separator kit will protect your investment 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. For high-quality parts from a supplier you can trust, visit directionplus.com today.